Hi guys, I'm Maria Brown. Welcome back. Well, I know a lot of people who are afraid to make turkey gravy, and I'm going to show you just how simple it is to make an outrageously crazy delicious turkey gravy. And as an added bonus, gravy freezes nicely for up to 4 months, so you can make it a few weeks in advance and just have it ready to go for Thanksgiving and not even have to worry about it. To make this gravy, I did make my own broth. But you don't have to make your own broth. You can buy turkey stock at the store and use that as your base. Now, remember to hit that subscribe button. Okay, come on, let's go get started. Now we're left with this beautiful base, and we're going to just go and heat this back up. To make this roux, I'm going to start by heating up a pan or a pot. Now heat that up over a medium heat, and to that, for each quart of gravy, I'm going to melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Once that's melted, I'm going to add in flour. I like my gravy a little bit on the thicker side, so I'm going to add in 1/3 cup of flour. So now we're just going to mix this really well, and I'm just going to keep cooking this until I get the color that I like. That looks really good. Now to this, you're going to start adding your turkey stock 1 cup at a time. For this recipe, we're going to put in about 4 cups of stock, and that's going to make a quart of gravy. Now a quart is not enough for me. I'm going to need to double or triple this quantity because I like to have a lot of gravy. Now using your whisk, or if you don't have a whisk, use a fork. We're just going to keep mixing this until it's thoroughly mixed, and we're going to bring it to at least a simmer. See the bubbles? You need to have it at least simmering in order for it to thicken. Just cook this until you get the consistency that you like. Now that you've cooked it to the consistency that you like, go ahead and take a little taste to correct the seasonings. You might need to add some salt or some pepper. Oh my gosh, that is delicious, just like that. Wow. Wait until everyone tries your gravy. It's outrageously crazy delicious. Leave your comments below and remember to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Maria Brown. Thanks for watching.